it's Lisa with Artful Fairy Designs, and I just want to do a quick tutorial on our word art signs so I can give you an idea of how they go together. You may receive your package with everything all in a bag, or it could be laid out like this, shrink wrapped. It depends on where you've purchased. But just in case, I want to show you how they go together. So regardless of what the words are, it's all the same. So you will have your base piece, which is underneath. I'm going to push these all off. Okay, so here's your base piece. You do not have to paint that because you're going to cover it up. You also have your bottom, which will fit right into the tab, will fit right into that. So this area there, you don't need to paint as well. You can go ahead with your letters and paint them, or you could decoupage, or however you want to do those. Okay, so they would go together just like that. They fit together perfectly. All right, just like that. And then right underneath here, you can see there's a score mark. That's to help you so that you know, so your letter is centered and you know where to put it. But if you did decoupage it or cover that up, it's okay. It's still pretty simple to just center it yourself. And then all these pieces would just go back together. You would just glue them when you're all done. And there you go. And then any other little pieces, you'd go ahead and put those wherever you want to put those, if there's some included in your little sign. So just wanted to let you know how easy those are to go together. Thanks so much for watching, and please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so that you can be notified whenever I have another video. Thanks.